Hi guys, welcome to another video. Just wanted to say thank you for joining me, and also please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy my content. That'd be really appreciated. So don't forget to hit that like button. Thank you very much. Now, today I wanted to talk a little bit about a native screen recorder that Windows 10 has. Now, it's been around for a few years. It's had a few tweaks here and there, and it's not 100% brilliant, I have to say that, but it is good if it's a free screen recorder, and if you're just starting out on YouTube, or if you're really on a tight budget, it's free, it's easy to use, and if you want to record gameplay in particular, it can actually be really good for you. Now, what you want to do, if you want to launch it, what you're supposed to press is the Windows key and the letter G. Now, I've just pressed it, and of course nothing is going to happen. The reason nothing happens is because you've got no windows open, or there's nothing on the screen that's actually doing anything. So what you need to do is you need to find something that you actually want to do, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google and I'm going to play Roblox. Now, this is where there is a little bit of an issue with this screen recorder. So if I do the Windows and G again, you'll see the menu comes up, and it gives you a few options. You can broadcast your gameplay or whatever you're doing with microphone or without the camera on, so people can't see you. So you can, those options are there for streaming. You can also record with or without a mic recording. You can also take a screenshot, again with or without the mic recording. So it's quite good features from that point of view. And it does actually do a good job of recording, but there is an issue, and I'll show you here. I'll go into Windows G again just quickly. If you start recording from here, for example, and it'll just start up there. So here you go. I've got the recording starting here. I've got the microphone turned off for this. If you then go into Roblox, and I will start up Roblox here. So you can see I'm just starting this particular game. I've got this ready because it was taking a while to load. I don't want to delay everybody, or have to pause the video too many times. So this is, I'm just playing this game X, which I played before. Wait for it to load up. And of course this screen is recording all of the time. Now, of course, when you do Roblox, it launches a new screen. Now, you would think that if you're playing something like a game like this, and the screen is what you're looking at, you think that this would be the screen that Windows is recording. However, let me just stop it there, because that's enough for this particular demonstration. If I close that down and go back to here, it's now telling me that this clip has been saved. Now, what it does, it saves it into your Xbox account. It also saves it onto a drive on your laptop or your computer, but it does save it into your Xbox account. So if you've got an Xbox, it's quite good, because you can then access it. You can share it from here as well, and do various other things, which I'll show you now. So if you've got it here, and if you click on it, it will allow you to do various things. You can delete it, you can trim it, you can upload it, you can open it, you can do various different things, rename it. But if I play the video here, you'll see that this is the screen that I've got originally before I launched the game. And if I just go through the clip here, you see it doesn't come up with the second screen. It doesn't come up with the gameplay screen. It stays on this other screen behind it. So there you are playing the game, and it's not recording what you're actually doing. But there is a way around it, and I'll show you what that is. So I'll just delete this from here. However, there is a way around this, and what the way around it is that what you need to do is go into, I'll just go into it quickly here. You go into your Roblox game first, and then you can record the screen while you're in the game, as long as you don't do it before you enter the game. So we've got a game on here, and you can see the message comes up to you to press Windows and G, which I'm going to do now. And hopefully that will come up, and then you'll have the same options as you had before. You have the options to broadcast, you have the options to turn game mode on and off, which is quite good because that increases the power of the CPU as well. So that's quite a good thing to have. And you also have the option to record. So I'm not going to record now, because obviously it will record the screen in this mode. So once you've launched the game, you will be able to do that. However, I will say it is buggy. It doesn't always record, and sometimes it will delay, sometimes it will crash, so it's not 100% if that's what you want to do. Screen recorder for you if you're going to be doing things like gameplay and stuff like that. However, it's not going to be the best option for you if you want to use things like recording your screen captures, or if you want to do something else, like if you want to go into the folders within your desktop to record your desktop and do tutorials, things like that. It won't work very well for that because it only likes to have one screen open at a time. So in terms of that kind of thing, it's not the best idea to have it. But, and I'll just open this in Armada here, because it will do games that you have on your laptop or on your computer. So if I wanted to record this, for example, Armada game that I've got from the Microsoft Store, it will allow me to record this, and you can see it's recording that. I'm doing it here, and then I can go in and I can play the game and do all kinds of things that I would normally do. So if you do have games on your laptop or on your computer that you like to play, you can record those, and it's a lot easier to do that than it is to do it on web-based programs such as Roblox, because it's a bit more bit faster and a bit more native to the Windows itself. And of course, as I'll just quickly show you, that it did record that that there for you as well, that little piece of game that I showed you there. So it will do it. It is buggy. It isn't the easiest screen recorder to use, but it does have features that you could use if you wanted to have something, a cheap alternative. There are better ones out there, I'm not going to lie. There are much better screen recording apps out here that are also free. But if you don't have a lot of space on your computer and you can't download something like Screencast or stuff like that, or anything else of that type, then this Windows screen recorder is an option for you. I'll just show you there the screen that I recorded there. You don't get any branding come up or anything like that, or any counters. So it is quite a good thing from that point of view, and as I said, you can trim it down, although it will also be located in a folder, and I'll quickly show you where that folder is. In here, it will also be located in your laptop or in your computer folders as well. If you go into videos and in captures, it will be located in there as well. So go into here, just quickly show you, and there it is. It'll be in there as well. So that means you can upload it to an editing software or something else that you want to use it with, if you don't want to use the Xbox app to trim it or edit it. And that's basically it. It's not brilliant, it's not an ideal recorder for you, but it is an option if you are looking for a cheap way to record gameplay and things like that. Thank you for watching the video. As always, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you do, please like and subscribe. That'd be really great for me. And thank you until next time. Goodbye.